Hey guys, how's it going? It's today's Boogie. Thank you for tuning in on another video. So today guys, we're going to go ahead and be showing you guys how to fix code error p0302 and p0314 on a Polaris Rzr. The code pops up as a cylinder misfire, and in order to fix that, what you would need for this video is going to be a 8mm socket, an impact wrench, and also a clutch drive belt removal tool. What we're going to go ahead and be doing is going underneath the back left tire to remove 9 bolts to get to the belt, and that should fix this issue. Now to exactly show you how to do that, we're going to go ahead and get right into the video so you can guys see exactly how we did that.
Remember?
Oh, I remember it was smelling? Yeah.
What happened? Because you're spinning one tire going the other, you know? Bro, this is your first video with the GoPro making mechanic on the Rzr. Ni tiene nada allá adentro, güey. Oh, el belt.
Change it to a Polaris belt. What type of Polaris?
It's a 2020 Polaris XP4. More or less.
Socket was that?
It's a 8mm.
A screw? There's a lot of them. A screwdriver?
No. One of these. in there, los dientitos estén adentro. ¿No? Los huevos slip.
¿Y no hay de mental de esas?
So you push the teeth into it, right?
Goes right here, you gotta make sure it snaps in there. So that way it doesn't slip. Because if it slips, it's gonna throw your coding and then we don't know where.
So right now you gotta disconnect the battery and everything?
No.
Alright guys, so now we're here to the ending guys. If you guys want to go ahead and clear the code, what I also saw was that you guys had to drive the Rzr at least for a minute or two at a 4,000 RPM range. And I also saw that for myself, so I appreciate the fact that I was there to see that, how that happened, because I would like to own a Polaris in the near future. And I really appreciate Omar for taking us along. I told him when we were there, thank you so much for that experience. So nonetheless, guys, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video was of use to you guys. If you guys did, you guys be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. If you like any of these videos or you like any of my videos, you guys be sure to hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. This is your host, today's Boogie. God bless and take care.